In order to take the thermostat apart, it has a... I've never seen anything quite like it. It's really space age. I mean, for a little Honda 50, which is good because I wish we made stuff like this all the time. Then we maybe would become a world power again. But this this O-ring comes off, and you probably should replace this one. But I'm not going to, because it's once it goes back in, it's probably never going to come out. So I'll just leave that right there, and I'll be very careful with it. And then we take the snap ring pliers right here. I'll kind of show you. There's a snap ring that goes all the way around on the inside. You see it? The two little tangs right there? Well, they fit in these two little pins here. And then what I do is I squeeze the pliers together. The snap ring will compress, and I can pull it out, and everything else will come out with it. But I have to do that with two hands. And remember, it's 28,000 miles, and I can see the little bit of debris and things in the water in here, so that's why I want to rebuild it, you know, just to make sure. And besides, it's kind of a neat thing to show all you guys out there what it's like. And I know, you know, I would love to just turn off the camera, put the camera away, get my hands dirty, because I can't get my hands dirty with the camera. I have to clean my hands all the time. And I would just love to put this thing back together and get it going. I just really feel like working on it. But I have to slow down and be patient, because I promised all of you out on YouTube that have watched this that I was going to do the best series on the Ruckus that I could. The best visual series. And I wish I could speak in other languages. Matter of fact, I am bilingual, you know, being American. I speak American and Canadian.